Hello everyone. In this video I'm gonna show you this example of collaborative robots. This is a Coppelia simulator. So now you can see here we have two robots and a human. These robots have to work with each other, with interaction with the human. They try to move this block from the table to the conveyor. The goal is to move the piece of block from one place to another without damage the human interaction between the robots and the human. So now let me show you this simulation. So first of all, the robot moves near to the block that have to put the inner effector over the block. The magnetic tools here activate when this is near the block. After that, the robot have to give the block to the human. The human have to move the block and give the block to the another robot. Now the robot finally have to move the block to the conveyor, to the final transportation. So basically this is the idea of this simulation. I will try to give you some details of this algorithm for the collaborative robots and what it means and why it's important for the Industry 4.0. So as I mentioned before, we are in the area of information. Basically the industrial 4.0 is the main approach of the new technology for industrial applications. Now this means the robots, AI, big data, virtual reality, and so on. There are a piece of new technologies for the Industrial 4.0. Now, in this case, I want to talk about the collaborative robots. This is a Ewa robot of the Kuka company. So you can see here this is a redundant robot. This have more degrees of freedom than the workspace had. Then this means that the robot can have many solutions to find the final position of the effector. So this is really important when the robot have to make many motions of complex motion in the environment, in the space or workspace. Now the Kuka robot has many approach and many researchers about collaborative robots. So now, what is a collaborative robots? So collaborative robots are a new approach, a new idea of the robot based on force control that have the algorithms to try to make possible the interaction with the human without damage him. So for instance, if we have an industrial robot, a common industrial robot, this is dangerous when they have to interact with a human, because the motion of the robot can make a force and damage to the human. But this is all for collaborative robots because this has a new approach on force control and impedance control. For instance, these papers I found in resource try to make this solutions for the collaborative robot. For instance, this paper is called Adaptive Impedance Control of the Human-Robot Collaboration using a reinforcement learning, for instance. Let's try to make that I mentioned before. This is based on our force sensors or torque sensors to make possible the feedback of the control loop. Now, when the robot have a sensor force in the frame, when this approach to the human is able to control the force and the motion and generate new trajectories. So this is very important for this kind of robots. Now there are many ideas and many research about these robots, but this video is try to give you some ideas of this robot and the new area of technology on Industry 4.0.